After formatting our slide, we can give a slide number, date and time, header, footer. So click on insert, and this is a slide number option. See this. You can see this type of dialog box. Now click on slide number. Okay, this is a preview where you give your slide number. So this is a preview, and with the help of this you can give a slide number, date and time. If you click on this option, you can insert date and time also. Another thing is footer. If you want to give same footer in every slide, then write down Project Tiger. Don't show on title slide. If you do not show in title slide, see this and apply to all. Now here is a date, here is a Project Tiger footer, and this is a slide number. In title slide there is no footnote because we remove footnote from title slide. Now home, add new slide. When you add a new slide, you can see same thing in all slide. This is a slide number 3, and this is the date, and this is our Project Tiger in footnote. So this way you can give slide number, and you can give footer, and also give a date and time in your slide. Now you can add other thing in this slide. Now you can format your slide, which we already discussed in our last video. Color, shadow, etc. Okay, this way you can give the background color and foreground color. After formatting, click on Design tab. Okay, now in Design tab there is a theme group. When you click on particular theme, you can see the background of your slide according to your theme. See this. If you like this theme, click on particular theme. So there is more option in your theme. Okay, you can change color also from here. You can change color combination of particular theme with the help of this color, font, effect. See this. Okay, now apply slide transition. Slide transition is a special effect that is applied in a presentation. It decides how the presentation will move from one side to another. It makes the presentation more attractive and interesting by using sound and visual effect during slideshow. Okay, for slide transition, click on animation tab. Okay, now see this, there is so many options. When you click on this arrow, you can see other option. In transition to slide group, click on arrow to see a drop down. Click on scroll down arrow and scroll up arrow, or use the scroll bar to go through all the transition effect. Okay, here some effect. You can give effect from here. Now choose first slide and give the effect, and transition speed set to medium. See this. If you want to give this effect, see this. This is a different effect you can give to your slide. If you want to give us effect to second slide, you can add sound also. Okay. You can add sound from here. Okay. Add sound from here and give it to slow or a medium. This way you can give the slide transition to different slide. Okay, now if you want to see the previews, click on second slide, third slide, escape key. This way you can give a slide transition to your animation. Now our next topic is view a presentation. View a presentation. See this is a view button. Here normal view, create and edit slide. We can create and edit slide in normal view. Second thing is a slide sorter view. Sorting, rearrange, add, delete from here. 1, 2, 3. You can rearrange it. You can delete from this option. For example, you want to copy and click here and paste. If you want to delete, then you can delete from here. This way you can modify the slide in slide sorter view. Next is a notes page view. Notes page view, notes page view. Add or edit notes in a notepad. Slideshow view. To start slideshow, you can use slideshow view and exit from slideshow with the help of escape key. Okay, now I am click on normal view. Normal view is a default view. By default you can work in normal view. Presentation view group, click on slide sorter. You will see thumbnail of all slide. You can see from here thumbnail. In this slide sorter view, you can rearrange your slide and you can easily delete and modify your slide. So this is a different view of our PowerPoint presentation. And this is a different tab, home tab, used for new, delete slide, used for formatting. Insert tab, used for insert some objects. Design view, used for designing your slide. In animation view, we apply slide transition. So this way you can make a simple presentation with the help of PowerPoint program.